comfortably in your seat. Please do not pass children. Roundhouse. The roundhouse was not a place of storage, but a place of maintenance. Think of this as the Jiffy Lube of the railroad world. Here, trains would come in after every run, and a crew of 5 to 10 men would look over the locomotives, checking for their lubrication, their bolts, making sure that they were ready for their next run. That is the engineer's way of saying, "Look out, here we come," while approaching a crossing. They preferred to follow the path of least resistance to set up their tracks, and oftentimes this came with following waterways. The very early railroads would find waterways that they wanted to travel along, and then they would cut into the hillside along those waterways and take the rock and rubble from those cuts and lay it down onto flat surfaces so they could lay down their track. These tracks have been here since the 1850s. And if you have a keen eye as we go along our way, you can still see cut marks in the rock bed.
Gases from the firebox being poured through pipes of that food. The Scranton station was the Lackawanna Railroad's showplace. So today is the Luxury Hotel, a handcrafted